Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious stir fry that is so flavorful. Can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. So to your heated skillet, add some palm oil. Make sure it's a good palm oil because palm oil also adds flavor to the dish. Now once this palm oil has heated up a bit, not bleached, add a bit of curry. Now go ahead and add your onions. Saute your onions until it's a little bit translucent. After which add your scotch bonnet. Give that a good stir. Now go ahead with your seasoned vegetables. Now I'm using frozen veggies that I seasoned with some seasoning cubes. Now once that has stir fried a bit, go ahead and add your ginger and garlic powder. Give that a good stir. Now add your smoked fish. Continue to stir fry that. Just be stir frying it. Now go ahead and add your already fried sweet potatoes. Give that a good stir. And now add your curry leaves or your scent leaf, whichever one you have. Give that a good stir. And fam, this sweet potato stir fry is ready. It is flavorful, it is nutritious, it is amazing. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, mwah!